Good morning, everyone. We are now going to La Mer, and it's a Friday. We have a very good weather. We woke up at around 8 o'clock. Inantay talaga namin na magising si baby boy para ma-complete niya yung kanyang sleeping hours. Good morning!
First time pa you walk in? First time? You walk in, the fog is very thick. You see? It's like the cloud.
It's a weekend, so we chose to spend our weekend na wala mo ng mga gadgets, wala mo ng mga kung ano-anong electronics sa bahay. So we chose La Mer. We will soak under the sun.
Nice.
Take it down.
This is Dubai, guys. Here. Sa labas kami nakapark.
You want to go walk? Yeah. Walk. Daddy, look here.
Daddy.
Ito.
Oh my goodness.
This is our car.
We will let Pio Joaquin enjoy the sand. Meron siyang mga toys na binitbit namin. Meron siyang mga dump truck and all. So, hayaan namin siyang naka-soak under the sun. Walang tap. Pero lalagyan natin, we will make sure na meron siyang oil sa kanyang back and sa kanyang chest. And sa kanyang throat. Para naman hindi siya ubuhin or sipunin. This is Dubai. Good morning! It's a foggy Friday morning here in UAE. Look at the road.
Green.
Yes, there's a crane. The little boy, our little boy is so bright. At the age of 2, he knows the crane, the helicopter, the backhoe, and so many things. This is a quick stopover for the drinks of our little boy. And right now he's eating bread. Yes. Is it yummy? Yummy. Wearing our mask. And Daddy is there. Oh, he's outside now. This is what we have. Hot, but it will be so bright. And our 2 bags. Another 2 bags outside at the trunk. Outside at the back.
Parang magpapasok pa lang. Sa mga ganito mapuntang Abu Dhabi,
sa mga big roads. Al Khail ba yun?
hindi din lagpas pa.
La 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 la. During the pandemic, it's best to rent a car than to buy one. So right now we are leasing a car for 2 days. At the rate of 70?
This car is 80.
80 dirhams per day with a deposit of 600?
Yes.
Yes. So that has been our routine since the pandemic began. We have our own car before. We had, but we have chosen to sell it. We have chosen to sell it. This is our best move. Our baby boy is the pilot. Look! Oh, it's so cold. Mabuti na lang naka-jacket ang little boy ko. Si Mami naka-backless pa. It's okay. We're going to the beach. Ang ganda naman talaga pag foggy. Ano?
Wow!
What?
Mama.
We are on the way to La Mer. Look at our driver, Daddy. Say hi. And our little boy.
Gonna go.
Wow, what's that?
Go.
Lately has been speaking so many things we do not understand.
Gulat Daddy.
Gulat pala siya, gulat. Talaga ng mga bulaklak. Yan ay minagic. Hindi po yan talaga dyan nakatanim. Lumarating lang yan kapag winter. At nawawala din pag summer.
Nilipat lang.
Nililipat. It's a big crane. And guys, dito sa road na to, ang kulay ng halaman ng flower ay, ano ba to? White? It's white, dirty white. Cream. Other side, pink. Iba-iba ang kulay. Yan yung mga tinatanim lang nila tuwing winter. Ayun, meron din dito, yellow, pink. Yan. Ang ganda nga rin naman talaga. Tunay naman talaga. Maganda. Nice weather. Sana mamaya may araw. Time check, 9 o'clock. So first, we will have our breakfast. And then later, Piyuwakin can go to the beach and play sand at the seashore. And then Mommy will have sunbathing. And Daddy also sunbathing. Okay, see you later. Fog bathing. Nagdala pa naman ako ng sunblock. Dapat pala fog block. Oil. No, we're going now. We're going now. Hello, we're done eating. I still have hot chocolate. We're going to the beach. Okay, let's go. We are here in La Mer right now. And we are checking out for the best place to park. Best area to park near the beach side. And ito yung kabahayan ng La Mer. Excavator. Ayan na, may haring araw na po mga kapatid. This is the main road. Ayan. We're looking for parking. This is the entrance of La Mer. And we are going to the right side, the beach side. And then we will park. And then the baby boy is going to play at the beach. Look at the entrance.
ABC.
And entrance.
ABC.
What's that ABC? Miraz. Yeah. M-A-M-E-R-A-A-A-S. All day long. Parking. Looking for parking. The little boy is sleeping na. Please lang sleep. Yan, and then papasok natin tayo sa
AC14.
Left.
ano kaya ito? Mga ano ko? Mga tindahan.
Parking.
Parking lang.
Guys, kung bibili kayo ng earphones, ganito bilhin nyo. Effective to guys. Malakas talaga yan.
will give you more sand. Oh, come on, I'll give you more sand. Let's go. We're here na at Lamer. It's a beautiful view. At the same time, we have to observe the same restriction. Mask, social distancing, and look, our baby is playing na.
Maldives. And this is the show area. This is the shipwreck.
Our little boy is happy now with the sand and his toys. And maganda yung place namin. Meron pa rin puno-puno dito. Ito yung aming mga bawal. Maliliit lang na chips kasi bawal yung mga ibalderong mga pagkain. Anyway, we had breakfast naman na. So, most of these are mga pampalit lang. Yan, pang nasa sa brightness ng araw. Oil, sunblock, yung mga fruits, and chips para sa bata. And also water. Malamig ang tubig, malamig ang hangin, so we have to put oil para hindi tayo uupuhin, especially right now na very uso ang mga flu, colds, and you know, the pandemic. Ayun, ang baby boy naglalaro, so we are going to put oil. Okay, kaunting patak, and then spread sa likod. Spread, and don't forget ang throat and also the Again. Like this. You will scoop and then shoot, scoop and then shoot, scoop and then shoot. Joaquin, look what will happen. And then like this. Yan. Okay. Put. Yan. Mountain. Come on, you will make mountain. Mountain. Put more.
Bulldozer.
Daddy hurt.
Yeah.
Daddy hurt.
Bulldozer. Okay, you remove the mountain now. Remove the mountain. Then make it a valley.
Yeah, put here.
On top
For the
of
bulldozer,
mountain.
put here. Yeah, here for the mountain.
Okay. Put the bulldozer there. Bulldozer. Remove that. Guys.
Put inside the truck, dump truck. Yeah, bulldozer. Then put inside the truck. Here. guys, high-tech ang faucet dito sa La Mer. So here, everything is automatic, including the air dryer here. Ang soap nandito sa ilalim. Okay, where's it? Okay. Okay. Mag-mask ka. Kagigising lang ni Pio Boy. And he's now nagpapakabuhay. Kumakain ng biscuit.
This is more biscuit.
Ang batang bunti.
Bili, 75 agad.
Kanina pa yan. Nakadami na nga yan eh. Buhangin inano. Tahimik ang batang naglalaro.
My goodness.
Dirty, don't do it. Building sandcastle. Lumipat kami ng area guys kasi mainit na doon sa naupuan namin kanina.
Moon.
Facing here sana.
Lumipat naman ang baby. Ito ka.
Hindi, against the sun.
Ayaw nga. Ayan, lumipat naman ang baby dito. Ang gusto niya purong pure sand. And later, we are going to swim. What is that? Ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream.
public changing room. This one.
Wow, nice! Look. Ay, sa amin pala napunta. The baby boy is here eating. Eating. Perfect. Guys, hindi pa kami nakakapag-lunch kasi na-enjoy namin masyado ang aming beach day. So, we are now heading to Riga. Meron daw dong masarap na area ng Filipino foods. Hindi pa namin na-try, so we will see. Ito yung way going out of Satwa, going to